How much should you actually spend on a PDO generator? Because some people are thrilled with the budget options, while others are disappointed by the pricier ones. It's a little puzzling.
Product number 1, RVing Pro 50 amp generator cord. The RVing Pro 50 amp generator cord caught my eye with its heavy-duty design and affordable price of $99.99. If you want a reliable connection for your generator setup, this is worth a serious look. What makes this stand out is its 50 amp capacity, allowing for a max wattage of 12,500 watts. This means you can power multiple devices during an outage. Plus, the pre-drilled inlet box means no hassle drilling required. You can connect it from multiple directions, which is super convenient. And it's ETL listed, ensuring it's safe for outdoor use, even in bad weather. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a reliable power source during emergencies can offer real peace of mind, especially in storms or outages. Now, some users mention that the installation process can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with electrical setups. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the guidelines or seek a professional's help, it's really not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable generator cord with easy setup in mind. Skip this one if you're looking for something that requires zero installation effort. For its price, it offers great value for ensuring your power needs at home are met. Now, if the installation concern bothered you, this next one takes a different approach.
Product number 2, Circle River 50 amp generator cord combo kit, priced at $95.99. This caught my attention with its robust build and safety certifications. If you're after a reliable and safe generator setup, this is one to consider. The 15-foot cord has a heavy-duty design, supporting a max of 12,500 watts, just like the RVing Pro. But what's key here is the pre-drilled power inlet box, which simplifies the connection process. No need to worry about complicated setups, just snap on the removable knockouts. This convenience really shines when you need to hook up your generator quickly during emergencies. Plus, it's ETL listed, ensuring safety in various weather conditions. Here's why this matters. Reliability in your power supply is crucial when you're counting on it for heat, lights, or refrigeration. However, some folks found the cord a bit stiff to work with when coiling it up. Now, I get it, that could be a hassle, but honestly, once you get used to it, you'll appreciate the durability it brings. This is perfect for anyone wanting a solid generator cord that's easy to connect. Skip this if you want something ultra flexible with zero hassle. It's definitely worth the price for the peace of mind it offers during outages. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for portable power needs.
Product number 3, Ego Power Plus Portable Power Station. Let's take a look at the Ego Power Plus Portable Power Station, priced at $659. This caught my eye with its impressive 3,000 watts peak output. If you're looking for a versatile generator for home and outdoor use, this is worth your attention. This power station is battery powered and can run up to 2,000 watts continuously. It's perfect for camping trips or as a backup when the power goes out. What's awesome is that you can use it without gas, making it more environmentally friendly and quiet. Plus, it's lightweight at 30.9 pounds, so it's easy to transport. Here's why this matters for you. Having a clean and quiet power source while camping or during a blackout can really enhance your experience. But I'll be real with you, some users have complained about the battery not being included, which is an added cost. But if you're already invested in the Ego ecosystem, it makes sense to add this to your collection. This is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone wanting a quiet backup power solution. Skip this if you're looking for a traditional gas generator. It's a solid investment for portable power needs. Now, if you're after something more traditional for home use, the next product may suit your needs better. Product number 4, Reliance Controls 31410CRK Transfer Switch Kit. We have the Reliance Controls 31410CRK Transfer Switch Kit at $467.99. This product stood out to me because of its reliability for home electrical systems. If you're focused on a safe way to connect your generator to your home, this is definitely worth considering. This transfer switch kit is designed for generators up to 7,500 running watts, which is ideal for many household needs. The installation is straightforward, with an 18-inch flexible conduit that connects easily to your load center. This means you can quickly switch to generator power when the grid goes down. Here's why this matters. Having a safe and reliable switch ensures your home's electrical system stays protected during outages. However, some users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer, leading to confusion during installation.
Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial setup, the operational ease makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for homeowners looking to safeguard their electrical systems during outages. Skip this if you're not comfortable with electrical installations. It's a good value for the security it brings to your home. Now, if you're looking for something super budget-friendly, let's check out the final product on my list. Product number 5, EODSAD 1500 Watt Permanent Magnet Generator. We have the EODSAD 1500 Watt Permanent Magnet Generator, priced at just $42.99. This one caught my eye because of its affordability and unique design. If you're looking for a simple generator for light residential use, you might want to take a look at this. With a power output of 1500 watts, it's suitable for charging batteries and lighting. It's lightweight at only 5.95 pounds and designed for easy connection to your battery. The pure copper material ensures efficient energy transfer, which is crucial if you need to charge devices quickly during outages. Here's why this matters. Having an affordable and efficient generator can make a big difference when you just need a little power during emergencies. That said, some users pointed out that it doesn't handle heavy loads very well. Honestly, if all you need is to keep a few lights on or charge some small devices, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for those on a budget or needing something for light use. Skip this if you plan to power larger appliances. It's an excellent value for its low price, especially if you're just starting with generators. To wrap it up, we've explored 5 PTO generators, each with its unique strengths. The RVing Pro and Circle River cords offer solid connections, while the Ego Power Plus provides clean power for outdoor needs. On the other hand, the Reliance Control Switch ensures safety at home, and the EODS Aid gives you a budget-friendly option. Depending on your situation, there's definitely a generator here that can meet your needs.